Here's a quick little gardening condo project I can do. It's the greenhouse up here. See how this panel was coming apart and I put duct tape up here? Well, I'm going to take the duct tape off. I sort of hot glued that on. And then I'm going to put a trailing vine. Well, look at these purple collards. So, and I don't want to spend any money. So I'm going to look around the garden and see what vine I have that I really did want climbing roses. But, I think I have, but I don't want to spend any money at the moment. I want to reuse everything that I have. And I noticed in the earthbag garden that over here I have a bougainvillea. I think it's called the Madonna, and it's white. And I'm going to dig it out of this bed because it's already competing with the fern and the other iceberg rose and the sun gold tomatoes growing. So I'm just going to dig it out and put it in a pot and put it next to the greenhouse to let it grow. How about that? All right, another little project. All right, so I probably should get to work. So let me put my ginger tea down and go to work. Wine project finished. I put the Madonna bougainvillea, which is a white bougainvillea. I put it in this watering can so that it can climb up the greenhouse. Yes, a wine condo project finished today. Yay for me. And on the other side is the purple tree collard. I need to water that. But yeah, I think that's going to be lovely. Climbing up the greenhouse. Okay, stay tuned.